It was exactly a year ago that the grounded Eritrean ship Denden sank off the shores at Tanirbavi beach. On that fateful day, the entire state was lashed by heavy rains and strong gales. The doomed ship had reached Mangalore on June 22, 2007, and was found to have technical snags. The ship's captain, Abraham Kwa, refused assistance from New Mangalore port authorities and expressed confidence that they would be able to get the vessel running again. However, by the next day, it was proved wrong, and the high tide began pulling the ship towards the shore. The ship started sinking, and 3 members of the crew lost their lives while attempting to reach shore, despite the rescue efforts by the locals. The helping hand lent by the people did not go unnoticed and came in for global appreciation, even as the Coast Guard faced flack for their lethargic actions. The 21 crew members of the Denden who managed to make it to the shore had to spend almost 3 months in isolation in city hotels. This was because they had lost their travel documents while abandoning ship, and also due to a delay in bureaucratic process between the Indian and Eritrean governments. The Eritrean government delayed owning up the responsibility for the ship, and crew had to face jail-like situation due to police security assigned to them. On the other hand, the sinking of the ship created panic among local fishermen as the vessel was carrying furnace oil. Any leakage of the oil would have posed great danger to the sea life in the Arabian Sea. About 80 tons of furnace oil and 25 tons of diesel were pumped out of another vessel in November 2007. But the sunken vessel is still visible from Tanirbavi beach and has become an attraction of sorts. Visitors who come back here curiously at the Denden lying in its watery grave. The fishermen community has protested against the breaking of the ship in the sea owing to environmental concerns. If the ship is broken at Tanirbavi seashore, there is likelihood of major ecological imbalance, claim the fisherfolk. Also, it is the owner of the ship who has to bear the cost of the salvage operation. Since this is an expensive proposition, the Denden is likely to stay in its current location, as there are 3 other ships that sank in the area.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishers a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Mangalore 8, 42214-158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
Narayan Guru Auditorium, built by Urva Ashoknagar Billaba Association near Sultan Batteri here, was inaugurated on Sunday, June 22nd. Former Union Minister Janathan Pujari inaugurated the auditorium and called on the community members to follow the humanitarian ideologies of Narayan Guru. Meanwhile, he asked the Minister Krishna Palema to take steps in eradicating chikungunya that has been alarmingly affecting the people across Dakshina Kannada and undertaking urgent repair works on highways in the district.
ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹರಡ್ತದೆ ಖಂಡಿತ. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಹರಡುವುದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಯಾರು ಭಾವಿಸಬೇಡಿ. ಅದು ಖಾಲಿ ಹಳ್ಳಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತೋಟಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇರುವಂತಹದ್ದು. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಎಚ್ಚೆತ್ತು. ಅವರೀಗ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರು ಅಧಿಕಾರ ಸ್ವೀಕಾರ ಮಾಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋದರು. ಆದರೆ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಆರೋಗ್ಯ ಖಾತೆಯ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯವರ ಹತ್ರ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ, ಕೇಂದ್ರ ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಬರೀತಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ ಇದು ಬಹಳ ಗಂಭೀರವಾದ ಪರಿಸ್ಥಿತಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟು. ಎರಡನೇ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ರಾಜ್ಯಪಾಲರ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ದಯಮಾಡಿ ಮಾತಾಡಬೇಕು. ಆ BC ರೋಡ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗುದಂತೇಳಿ 3/4 ಗಂಟೆ 1 ಗಂಟೆ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಷ್ಟಾದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೆ ಕಣ್ಣೆತ್ತಿ ನೋಡೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಗಿಂತ ಮೊದಲು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಕೂಡ ಚುನಾವಣೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಓಡ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ ನಾನು ಕೂಡ. ಆಗಿರುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಗಂಭೀರವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಶೀಲನೆ ಪ್ರಪ್ರಥಮವಾಗಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಕೂಡಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಉಸ್ತುವಾರಿ ಮಂತ್ರಿ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಆಗಿರುವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶುಭ ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇವೆ. ನಾವು ಬಹಳ ಶ್ರಮ ಪಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳು ರಾತ್ರಿಗಳು ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದರ ಪರಿಣಾಮ ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಫಲಪಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ಸಂಘದ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಾಧನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಆ ಪದಾಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆತ್ಮಸಮರ್ಪಣ ಭಾವನೆ ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತದೆ.
Speaking on the occasion, Krishna Palema told chikungunya is under control in the district owing to the assistances of doctors from 6 medical colleges.
ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಗೊತ್ತಿತ್ತು, ನಮ್ಮ G2 ಹಿಡಿದ ಒಂದು ಆಡಳಿತ, ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲಾ ಆಡಳಿತ ಇದನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಈಗ ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಅವರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆದಷ್ಟು ಬೇಗ ಇವತ್ತು ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲಿಗೆ ತರದಿದ್ರೆ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ. ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ ಹೇಳೋದು ಪೂಜಾರಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬಂದಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಡೆ ಹಿಡಿಯಲೇಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಮಹಾನಗರ ಪಾಲಿಕೆ ಕೂಡ ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಚುರುಕಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫಾಗಿಂಗ್ ಮಿಷನ್ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನುಸಿಗಳ ಬೇಟೆಗೆ ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಯಾವುದು ಪಕ್ಷ ಮತಗಳನ್ನು ಮರೆತು ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಜೊತೆಗೂಡಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಂಘಟನೆಗಳು, ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂಘ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಗಳು ಮತ್ತು ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಸ್ಪತ್ರೆಗಳು, ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ನಾನು ಕರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸೇರ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಮ್ಮ ಜೊತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೂಡ. ಇವತ್ತು 6 ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಜಿಲ್ಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲ 6 ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಹಕಾರ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಪುತ್ತೂರು, ಸುಳ್ಯ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಈಗ ವಸಂತಣ್ಣನ ಏರಿಯಾಗೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗೆ ಬಹುಶಃ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಹುಶಃ ಮಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬರುವ ಸಾಧ್ಯತೆಗಳಿದೆ. ಜನರೆಲ್ಲ ಜಾಗೃತರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಮನೆ ಬಾಗಿಲಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಕಟ್ಟಿಡುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಕೊಳಚೆ ಪ್ರದೇಶವನ್ನು ನಿರ್ಮೂಲನೆ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಇವತ್ತು ಆಗಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ.
Palema also urged the residents of the city to keep the areas clean without giving any scope for mosquitoes to breed in order to eliminate chikungunya. Ananta Krishna, chairman of Karnataka Bank, released the 7-year Smriti on the occasion. MLAs Vasant Bangera, Yogesh Bhatt and Ramanath Rai were also present on the dais. Prize distribution ceremony of League cum Knockout Cricket Tournament organized by Karnataka State Cricket Association Mangalore Zone was held in the city on Sunday, June 22nd. Prizes were distributed to the winners of 1st Division B Damodarpai Memorial League Trophy, 2nd Division Canara Bank League Trophy and 3rd Division ONGC MRPL League Trophy on the occasion. Former cricketer A. Raghuram Bhatt and ONGC MRPL Group General Manager Lakshmi Narayana were the chief guests for the program.
All young people are here. I will assure that injustice will not be done as far as the state cricket is concerned. The due with performance will not be neglected. Consistency level of every match will be screened. So this is the aspect where we as a committee looking at. So I think you boys should take this opportunity to perform much better, because this season we are looking forward to have a young Ranji Trophy side. So keep it in mind when you are playing a match. Please keep it in mind that you may also stand a chance to play for your state. That will be the greatest achievement you can give to your zone.
Winners' trophies were presented to Gajanana Cricket Club 1st Division, City Cricketers 2nd Division, Bedra Friends 3rd Division Avis Mangalore Ramco Cup, and Enopia Medical and Dental Sciences College A Surgical T20 Cup during the function. Meanwhile, Donit D'Souza and Ratan Kumar presented brief notes about the tourneys. Dr. Devdas Ray and Nitin J. Shetty introduced the guests. Dr. Shrikant Ray welcomed the gathering. Arun Shetty compared the program.